पहला idolatry, the worship of idols or image. Igloo, a place or shelter of an Eskimo. पहला illegal, that which is against law. Illegible, handwriting that cannot be read. Illegitimate, not accepted under law or a standard. Illicit, a trade that is prohibited by law or prevailing social standard. Illiterate, a person who cannot read or write. Illustration, explanation through example or picture. Illustrious, well known and respected for past achievement. Immigrant, one who settles in another country. Imminent, that is sure to happen. Immolation, an act of killing oneself by burning. Immune, free from infection. Imperialist, one who tries to control big country. Imperishable, enduring forever. Impervious, a person who remains unmoved and unaffected by other people's opinion argument. Implicit, not clearly expressed but implied. Impostor, a hypocrite, one who pretends to be what he is not. Impracticable, that which cannot be practiced. Impressionist, one who is amused by copying activities of other person. Improvident, one who is too careless to plan for the future. Imprudent, not showing care or concern of the actions. Impunity, exemption from punishment without risk of punishment. Inaccessible, that which cannot be reached. Inadmissible, not to be allowed or tolerated, not accepted as a valid. Inane, lacking sense or meaning. Inaudible, a sound that can be heard. Incandescent, that which give bright light when heated. Incendiary, that which cause large fire. Inception, the starting point. Inclination, a person's natural tendency or urge to act or feel in a particular way. Incognito, traveling under the name other than one's own. Incomprehensible, statement which cannot be understood. Incongruous, not in harmony or keeping with the surrounding or other aspects of something. Incorrigible, one who cannot be corrected. Incredible, that which cannot be believed. Indefatigable, one incapable of being tried. Indefensible, that which cannot be defended. Indelible, that which cannot be affected. Indemnity, security against a loss. Indifferent, having no particular interest. Indignant, feeling annoyed at the sight of unfair treatment. Indispensable, something that is essential and cannot be dispensed with. Indisputable, that which cannot be challenged. Inedible, not suitable for eating. Ineffable, something that cannot be described in word. Ineligible, someone not fit to be chosen. Ineptness, lack of a skill. Inestimable, too great to calculate. Inevitable, that which cannot be avoided. Inexorable, impossible to stop or prevent. Inexplicable, that which cannot be explained, or inextricable, impossible to separate. वीडियो अच्छा लगा चैनल